Hello, this is Carlos Amesquin. We're live at the 2011 Los Angeles Organizing Awards Red Carpet Reception and Gala Industry Exchange here at the Sheraton Universal in Universal City. Give us your name.
It's Julie Seibert.
And the name of your business?
Is Healing Through Organization.
Well, tell me how your organization heals. I'm very curious about that.
I have found that organization and decluttering can really transform lives, whether it's helping someone alleviate depression, whether creating a better relationship with a spouse, a mother, your children. You can really see lives transformed, and I'm thrilled to be a part of that and help my client. And one of the greatest joys I get from organizing is seeing lives transformed.
Can you give me one tip that would help a small business for someone in a home that has a really messy situation?
I am an eco-organizer, and my specialty is being green, and that's what I get very passionate about.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes. You know how you have the shower curtain containers or bedding containers? Those are fantastic things that you can repurpose to get organized. They're wonderful because they're clear. They come in different sizes, and you can use a Sharpie to label. That's something that most people have around the home, and instead of having to run out and buy something, that's something right there, so no excuses. Get started on decluttering and get started organizing.
That's an easy tip.
You know, we thought we'd try really hard to impress our next group of eco-friendly organizers by doing a totally green presentation.
Let's introduce them, shall we?
Okay.
Hands-on organizing, Sarah Getzkin. Healing Through Organization, LLC, Julie Seibert. Liberated Spaces, Deborah Beta.
No wire hangers, Julie Nalon. Efficiency, KJ McCory. The award goes to
Julie Seibert.
And here to accept the award is Julie Seibert.
Well, mission accomplished. I'm in my first pair of stilettos, and I managed not to fall, so I'm very excited. I just would like to thank our sponsors. I know without you we couldn't have this. I'd like to thank NAPO LA, especially Lala, who was kind enough to answer all the questions I had before coming out, and the other nominees. It's very lonely in North Carolina on the eco-organizing front. And Lori, I have you beat on the $24.99 with my dress. Now the stylist said that I'm not allowed to say how much that we paid for it. But I just would also like to have a shout out to all my gals in Raleigh, North Carolina. It truly does take a village to put me together, to get me to the award ceremony. And I'm very blessed. This has been the best thing I've ever done for myself personally and professionally. And my hope is that one day we don't have a green award because we're all practicing green and sustainable practices. Thank you.
NAPO, what has that meant to you?
Oh, I think the greatest thing that NAPO's helped with is having access to all the other organizers in the country.
Super, thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Yeah, enjoy the evening.